Welcome to our guide on financial goal setting, where we'll explore the importance of setting clear objectives to achieve your dreams, whether you're aiming to buy a home, travel the world, or retire comfortably. Having well-defined financial goals is crucial for success. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of creating a roadmap to your dreams, helping you take control of your financial future. Number 1. Understanding the power of financial goals. Financial goals serve as a roadmap that guides your financial decisions and actions. They provide clarity and direction, helping you prioritize your spending, saving, and investing efforts. By setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals, you can stay focused and motivated on your journey to financial success. Number 2. Identifying your financial priorities. The first step in setting financial goals is to identify your priorities and values. What do you want to achieve with your money? Is it homeownership, travel, education, retirement, or something else? Take the time to reflect on your long-term aspirations and determine what matters most to you and your loved ones. Number 3. Assessing your current financial situation. Before you can set meaningful financial goals, it's essential to assess your current financial situation. Take stock of your income, expenses, assets, and debts. Calculate your net worth and review your cash flow to understand where your money is coming from and where it's going. This information will provide valuable insights into your financial health and help you set realistic goals. Number 4. Setting short-term and long-term goals. Financial goals can be categorized as short-term, medium-term, or long-term, depending on the time horizon for achievement. Short-term goals typically cover the next 1 to 3 years and may include building an emergency fund or paying off high-interest debt. Medium-term goals span 3 to 7 years and may involve saving for a down payment on a home or funding a child's education. Long-term goals, such as retirement planning, extend beyond 7 years and require careful long-term planning and investment. Number 5. Making your goals SMART. To increase the likelihood of achieving your financial goals, it's essential to make them SMART. This means ensuring they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of setting a vague goal like save money, make it specific by saying, save $10,000 for a down payment on a home within 3 years. Measuring progress and setting deadlines will help keep you accountable and motivated along the way. Number 6. Prioritizing your goals. With multiple financial goals competing for your attention, it's essential to prioritize them based on their importance and urgency. Consider factors such as the impact of each goal on your overall financial well-being, the time horizon for achievement, and any external factors that may influence your priorities. By focusing on one goal at a time or allocating resources strategically, you can make meaningful progress towards your objectives. Number 7. Breaking down your goals into actionable steps. Once you've identified and prioritized your financial goals, break them down into smaller, actionable steps. For example, if your goal is to pay off $10,000 in credit card debt within 2 years, determine how much you need to pay each month to reach that target. Create a budget, cut expenses where possible, and explore additional sources of income to accelerate your progress. Number 8. Creating a budget that supports your goals. A budget is a powerful tool for aligning your spending with your financial goals. Start by tracking your income and expenses to understand your current spending patterns. Then, allocate your resources based on your priorities, focusing on essential expenses and allocating the remainder towards your goals. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed to stay on track and accommodate changes in your financial situation. Number 9. Building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a crucial component of financial security, providing a financial safety net in case of unexpected expenses or income disruptions. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account, such as a high-yield savings account. Having an emergency fund in place will give you peace of mind and protect you from having to rely on credit or liquidating investments in times of crisis. Number 10. Paying off high-interest debt. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt or payday loans, can be a significant obstacle to achieving your financial goals. Make paying off high-interest debt a priority by focusing on the highest interest rate balances first while making minimum payments on the rest. Consider consolidating debt with a lower interest rate loan or exploring balance transfer offers to reduce interest costs and accelerate your debt repayment. Number 11. Saving for short-term goals. For short-term financial goals with a time horizon of 1 to 3 years, consider saving in a high-yield savings account or a short-term certificate of deposit (CD). These accounts offer competitive interest rates and provide easy access to your funds when needed. Automate your savings by setting up regular transfers from your checking account to your designated savings account to ensure consistent progress towards your goals. Number 12. Investing for long-term goals. Long-term financial goals, such as retirement planning, require a different approach to savings and investing. Consider investing in tax-advantaged retirement accounts, such as a 401k or IRA, to take advantage of compounding growth and tax benefits. Diversify your investment portfolio across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to manage risk and maximize potential returns over the long term. Number 13. Monitoring your progress. Regularly monitor your progress towards your financial goals to ensure you're staying on track and making meaningful progress. Review your budget, savings, and investment accounts regularly to track your income, expenses, and net worth. Celebrate your achievements along the way and make adjustments as needed to stay aligned with your goals and adapt to changes in your financial situation or external factors. Number 14. Seeking professional guidance. If you're unsure how to get started or need help navigating complex financial decisions, consider seeking guidance from a qualified financial advisor. A financial advisor can help you clarify your goals, develop a personalized financial plan, and provide valuable insights and expertise to help you make informed decisions. Be sure to choose a reputable advisor who has your best interests at heart and is committed to helping you achieve your financial goals. Number 15. Staying flexible and adaptable. While setting clear financial goals is essential, it's also important to remain flexible and adaptable in the face of unexpected challenges or opportunities. Life is unpredictable, and circumstances may change, requiring you to reassess your priorities and adjust your goals accordingly. Embrace change as an opportunity for growth and learning, and be open to modifying your plans as needed to stay on the path to financial success. Number 16. Celebrating your achievements. As you make progress towards your financial goals, take the time to celebrate your achievements and milestones along the way. Whether it's paying off a debt, reaching a savings milestone, or achieving a long-term financial objective, acknowledge your hard work and dedication. Celebrating your successes will keep you motivated and inspired to continue pursuing your dreams. Number 17. Sharing your goals with others. Consider sharing your financial goals with trusted friends, family members, or accountability partners who can offer support and encouragement along the way. Accountability can be a powerful motivator, helping you stay focused and committed to your goals, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. By sharing your goals with others, you'll also benefit from their perspectives and insights, helping you make more informed decisions. Number 18. Revisiting and revising your goals. As your life circumstances change and evolve, it's essential to revisit and revise your financial goals regularly. Review your goals annually or as needed to ensure they remain relevant, achievable, and aligned with your values and priorities. Be willing to make adjustments and course corrections as needed to stay on track and adapt to changing circumstances or new opportunities. Number 19. Cultivating a positive money mindset. Finally, cultivate a positive money mindset that empowers you to take control of your financial future and pursue your dreams with confidence. Shift your focus from scarcity and limitation to abundance and possibility, and embrace the belief that you have the power to create the financial life you desire. Practice gratitude for what you have and cultivate an attitude of abundance, knowing that you are capable of achieving great things with the right mindset and approach. Number 20. Taking action today. Now that you have the knowledge and tools to set and achieve your financial goals, it's time to take action. Start by identifying your priorities, setting SMART goals, and creating a roadmap to your dreams. Remember that every small step you take today brings you closer to a brighter financial future tomorrow. With dedication, perseverance, and a clear vision of what you want to achieve, you can turn your financial dreams into reality. Number 21. Building resilience in the face of challenges. Life is full of unexpected challenges and setbacks, and financial goal setting is no exception. Building resilience is essential for staying on track and overcoming obstacles along the way. Cultivate a mindset of perseverance and adaptability, and view setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. By remaining resilient in the face of challenges, you can stay focused on your goals and continue moving forward, no matter what life throws your way. Number 22. Leveraging technology to manage your finances. In today's digital age, technology can be a powerful tool for managing your finances more effectively. Explore apps, online tools, and digital platforms that can help you track your spending, automate your savings, and monitor your progress toward your financial goals. From budgeting apps to investment platforms, there are countless resources available to help you streamline your financial management and make informed decisions. Number 23. Embracing minimalism and frugality. Embracing minimalism and frugality can be powerful strategies for achieving your financial goals more quickly and efficiently. By prioritizing simplicity and mindful spending, you can reduce unnecessary expenses, free up resources for your goals, and cultivate a more intentional relationship with money. Focus on what truly adds value to your life and eliminate the rest, allowing you to live more authentically and in alignment with your values. Number 24. Practicing patience and persistence. Achieving significant financial goals often requires patience and persistence. Understand that progress may be gradual and that setbacks are a natural part of the journey. Stay committed to your goals even when progress feels slow or obstacles arise. Remember that every small step you take toward your goals brings you closer to success, and that persistence is key to overcoming challenges and realizing your dreams. Number 25. Seeking support and accountability. Don't hesitate to seek support and accountability from others as you pursue your financial goals. Whether it's joining a community of like-minded individuals, working with a financial advisor, or enlisting the help of a trusted friend or family member, having a support system can provide encouragement, guidance, and motivation when you need it most. Share your goals with others, celebrate your successes together, and lean on each other for support during challenging times. Setting and achieving your financial goals is a journey that requires dedication, discipline, and determination. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create a roadmap to your dreams and take control of your financial future. Remember that financial success is not just about accumulating wealth. It's about living a life aligned with your values, passions, and aspirations. Take the first step today and embark on the path to a brighter, more prosperous future. As you embark on your journey to financial success, remember that setting and achieving your goals is a marathon, not a sprint. By following the strategies outlined in this guide, you can create a roadmap to your dreams and build a secure financial future for yourself and your loved ones. From setting sensitive goals to cultivating positive habits and embracing resilience, each step you take brings you closer to realizing your aspirations. Stay focused, stay determined, and never lose sight of the vision you have for your life. With dedication, perseverance, and a commitment to financial well-being, you have the power to turn your dreams into reality. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember to subscribe for more valuable insights and resources to support your financial goals.